Have you ever thought about how to make your videos really popular on YouTube? Well, the key is using the right hashtags. We've got the top 5 hashtags that everyone is using to get tons of views on YouTube right now. Let's start with hash shorts. If you create short videos on YouTube, you can't miss using this hashtag. It's the official tag for YouTube's short-form video feature, so it's a no-brainer. Next, we have hash trending. This is your ticket to the top, the fast lane to being seen by a massive audience. Now at number 3, we have hash vlog. Whether you're a pro vlogger or just beginning, consider this hashtag your best buddy. Moving on to number 4, we've got hash DIY. If you're a creator, a maker, or someone who loves doing things yourself, think of this hashtag as your golden opportunity. Finally, wrapping up the top 5, we've got hash challenge. Whether it's dance-offs or food trials, using this hashtag is a guaranteed way to get your videos trending. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Click that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.